as my personal knowledge. Generally, orphans, how orphans born, what is the value of human being? Suppose, I am sorry, I don't know much because I am not studying anything. At the time, at my age, I am very poor at the time, so I did not go to any school and college. So I am sorry, I tell you, in Telugu, if possible, anybody translate, that is better for me. Sorry. యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ ఫిలిం నేను తీయటానికి కారణం నా లైఫ్లో పూర్ నుంచి పైకి వచ్చాను, నాకున్న నాలెడ్జ్ని స్క్రీన్ మీద చూపించడానికి తీసిన ఫిలిం ఇది.
Hello? Okay. Good evening, press. First, I'll translate it for him and then I'll talk about myself a little later. So the reason he says for making this film is his own life experience, because he's come from a very poor background and now he's gained so much knowledge and he wants to share his knowledge with everybody. And he wants to share his life experiences through this film. So that's the reason why he's made this film.
జనరల్లీ ఈ భూమి మీద వృక్ష జాతి, జంతు జాతి, పక్షి జాతి, మానవ జాతి, ఇట్లా డిఫరెంట్ జాతులు భగవంతుడు మనకి సృష్టిలో క్రియేట్ చేశాడు ఈ భూమి మీద.
हम आपका इंग्लिश समझ लेंगे, आप डोंट वरी.
I am trying to speak in Hindi little bit because I am in Mumbai now. Okay, thank you everyone, media and everything. First of all, just seen the trailer, I think. My character is Shanti. What would I say about this? This is the patriotic film. और इस फिल्म में सोशल मैसेज भी है, लाइक फार्मर का सोशल मैसेज, मदर सेंटिमेंट का मैसेज है और पैट्रियोटिक फिल्म है. प्लीज़ डू वॉच इन थिएटर्स. प्लीज़ सपोर्ट अस मुंबई. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद.
सुपर. अभी इन्हें मैं वेलकम कहूँ या वेलकम होम कहूँ? लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, शी इज फ्रॉम आमची मुंबई और मुंबई से अभी यहाँ पर इस पर्दे पर और अब फाइनली वंस अगेन बैक टू योर फैमिली अगेन. सो प्लीज टेल मी, आपको कैसा महसूस हो रहा है इस वक्त?
First of all, hello Mumbai.
विलेन.
So I'm actually excited to be back. I've been traveling for the promotions. Finally, it's like an amazing feeling, you know, promoting in Mumbai, in my city. So I'm like super excited for the movie. I'm sure you guys must have seen the trailer. And it's a very different movie. It's a very patriotic movie, so I won't say it's just for the Telugu audience or the Tamil audience. It's for the entire nation, for entire each and every Indian should go and watch it. It's for everyone. And when it comes to my character, it's a very strong and powerful character. I'm not in a glamour zone. I have not been shown in that. So it's a very acting oriented and a very deep, emotional, intense character.
Of course, Mr. Kapoor, I would like to ask you, of course, आपका connection तो film industry से बहुत पहले से रहा है. So would you like to share with all of us?
You're asking about, my mom's an actress.
Yes.
She just completed 50 years in cinema. So it's a long career. For the Hindi audience, how would I say? Yeah, she's done Suryavansham with Amitabh Bachchan. She plays the elder Amitabh Bachchan's wife. Maybe you recognize her from there. But she's had a very long and very prosperous career down south in Telugu and Tamil. But yeah, I mean, it's I was not planning to be in front of the camera. I actually studied filmmaking. But yeah, it's, you never know, you don't write your fate. Suddenly chances come by and you have to perform, and I'm in front of the camera now.
We are not complaining for